Looks like a good week of rain ahead here in Albuquerque. So I went ahead and planted some seeds. All the junk on top and the back is just protecting them from the wind. Some arugula, some peas all along the trellis, more arugula, some broccoli, some Brussels sprouts. It's unreal. This chard survived the entire winter. Didn't really water it, and I just kept expecting it to die. Never covered it. Never did anything to protect it from the elements, actually. And it just survived because, well, this winter's just not that bad anymore.
But climate change isn't really something to worry about.
Is it? Some pretty tough chards. We have a few more freezes coming, so I haven't rigged up the irrigation system yet, which I also keep meaning to make a video about. But yeah, why not take advantage of the rain, add a little bit more water, which I already did. As I planted seeds, I'd water the patch where I'd water them. This was pretty funny too. I dumped out some old cocoa coir. Still figuring out how to say that correctly. I think it's coir. Should cut off some of these dead leaves though. But yeah, they're growing crazy right now. They're growing crazy right now. They were about half the size a few weeks ago, I think. So I thought for sure I should come and get some video. You can see they haven't been moved. They've been here. So yeah, if nothing else, we'll definitely plant more of these this spring and summer. Because then we'll have a year-round garden in Albuquerque. Again, all the junk on top, all over the place. It's just wind erosion control. I'm curious how much microgreens are going to grow here. And I won't be able to tell microgreens from arugula for a while either. Grubs. Excited for the trellis to fill in to where I can't see the neighbors anymore too. That's always a huge bonus. Basically why we put the garden here. Under a tree. But the tree has also helped the chard survive through the winter. The summer. Because it also gets too hot in the summer, technically, to grow chard year-round in Albuquerque. But if you grow it in the shade, it survives the summer. And something about this sheltered yard, I guess, has helped. Well, also again, it was a very mild winter. We never stayed below freezing long at all. I don't even know if we ever did for 24 hours even. Okay, anyways. Getting back to gardening. There'll be lots to share in the future. Taking advantage of
Spring showers to plant seeds.
Because it's also a better time to water as you plant while it's raining. I figure. Anyways, okay, bye.